Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse. Today I have a winter juice recipe for you. I call it the rainbow citrus juice because of all the colours of the citrus fruit in this juice. So let's start making some juice, shall we? We'll just turn the juicer on. Now, with the grapefruit, it's a little bit too large to fit in whole. If it's the right size, you can pop it straight through. If not, just one cut it in half, it'll easily go through the machine. So guys, when you're juicing oranges in the Kuvings wide mouth whole cold press juicer, you can easily fit a whole orange in the top without needing to push it down. Okay, so we've juiced the Ruby Red Grapefruit, we've juiced the oranges. Now we want to go to the yellow color, the lemons. With the lemon, make sure you leave the skin on because that really does add a great tasting flavor to this juice. The last ingredient in this rainbow citrus juice is the green lime. Now, you can juice the skin of the lime. I personally think it's a little bit too much flavor in this juice, so I'm going to thinly slice it off like we did with the grapefruit and the oranges. So if you like an OJ first thing in the morning, maybe it's time to mix it up a bit this winter. Add a few of those extra colors, the ruby red grapefruit, the green lime, the yellow lemon, and have a rainbow citrus juice.